Benjamin Copas, thank you for the donation, my friend. $50, that is amazing. This is $50 US, so it beats out my friend Rick, who donated 50 Canadian. You are now the largest contributor. I need to do a little math, and then we'll write everything all down, figure out exactly where we are, and your name will be going on the board, as well as the Power Hammer. The biggest donations deserve the biggest mention. I owe you 50 push-ups, so let's see how many we can do before the timer runs out. 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 13, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 29, 30, 31. Oh, it's gonna hurt. 32, 33.